So I'm just going to the store. This is carne marinada for tacos, and this one is carne al pastor. You need some cilantro, some onions, some tortillas, and this is optional. You can add to your taco sauce. I prefer the green one because it's spicy. You need to wash your hands with soap. Then you gotta dry them out. And here are all the ingredients that you're gonna need. You can add pineapple to the al pastor so it gets flavor. What is the origin of tacos? Mexico. This is how you cut the cilantro. Please don't cut your fingers. Now we're cutting the onions. Now here's all combined. Now add some juice of pineapple to the pastor. Here it's done. Now we're gonna cook the carne marinada. You don't add nothing. Now we are gonna heat up the tortillas. And now here are the tacos with the meat. And now we're adding some cilantro and onions. And now I'm gonna add some hot sauce because I love them spicy. Now you need a nice drink with some tacos. Then enjoy some good tacos.